she got a camera, okay? Like, we're, how you say, official? Official.
Bad bitch, she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. Home range when you ask how my day go. Order a new phone, not a blueberry fango. False move and we straight
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kelly Keisha back in this piece, back with another video. Finally. It's been so long since I've been like recording anything, honestly. Like life in school, just like, it's crazy. But nonetheless, I'm here, and if you read the title down below, then you already know what this video is about. But before we hop into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video, which, you know, it's gonna be more consistent now because your girl got a camera. She got a camera, okay? Like, we're, how you say, official? We're official, okay, honey? Official. Sorry, the glare of the light is annoying. But we got the camera, and I wanted to get on here and unbox it with you guys. So here is the box. Oh, that ring light is gonna drive me crazy. So bright. Let's turn it down. Okay, so I know you can see the glare, but here is the camera in the box. Okay, I got the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I had to look to make sure I knew what it was. Oh, sorry. They're rude. But let's go ahead and open her up. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, okay. Oh, girl, you nice now. Okay, so you guys, when you open it up, if I can open it the right way, it just has on top, it has the, looks like the manual on top and some other papers. And then you got this little thingy. I don't know what that is. Got the battery. Battery charger. And a lanyard. I think, yeah, this is a lanyard for the camera so you can hold it, you know, on your little wrist or whatever. And then nonetheless, drum roll, please, drum roll. Hold on. We got the camera. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I low-key want to cry. I don't know when I became a crybaby like this. Oh my god, it's so tiny, but it's so like perfect. Like look at her. She's here. Okay, and I don't know nothing about this camera. Girl, I just know that it flip up, and I was digging that. So if you are looking to buy a camera and you're doing YouTube research, then you probably know that they compared the Canon and the Sony ZR1. Don't quote me, but they compare those two a lot. But one of the biggest differences is that, well, for me, was that the camera, the little, what is this called? The screen pops up on the Canon versus the Sony, which pops out to the side. And if you're anything like me, then you like to see yourself, okay? And see, you know, if you look in a fool or not. And if you look into the side, it's obviously that you're looking at the side, okay? So I really was digging that. Let's turn it on, y'all. Let's turn it on. Okay, or not. Oh, I'm being dumb. The battery, y'all. The battery. So the battery goes into the bottom of it. If you can see that. You just pop that thing. Oh my god. I got a camera Don't talk to me nice. I have a camera. I am official, okay? Okay. Un momento. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Let's turn her on. Ah, it's on, you guys. And right now I have to like set the date and time and all of that. She's opened, period. Oh my God. I could see myself on the camera looking at myself. Watch out now, watch out. So yeah, this is the camera. I'm very, very excited to use it. I've owned a camera before. However, it was not Canon. It was I think it was like a Lumix camera or something like that. It was a vlogging one. I recommend looking into that if you are in the market for a camera because it was super inexpensive. I don't know if they still make them or not, but it's an alternative if you like that flip up camera like I do, because your girl got to see what's going on. But yes, so this is the camera. I'm so excited. It also does like this little lean back. Lean back. It does this like little lean back thing. So that way you can like sit it up. I don't know. But you guys, I have like hella research to do because I don't know how to focus it. I don't know nothing. I just know that this camera is cute. And also, let me see if I can. Ooh, don't drop her. Oh my God. Let me see if I can show you guys. If I can skip that. Oh, did I mention that it's touch? Like, who you know, baby? But yes, if I could show you guys some of the, that is y'all. That's what I'm using right now. Okay. And yeah, this camera is giving quality. Okay. Look, that's me, y'all. Period. Can y'all see that quality? Hold on. Period. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking bomb. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up and stuff, and the next video that you guys see, hopefully I'll be using my camera. I already have a like right there, that's where you put the, what is it, tripod thing. That's where you put the little tripod thing to hold the camera. Okay. There's nothing else in the box. I guess this little safety instruction thing paper that's in there, but that's that. I'm really happy overall. If you're looking to get a camera, I definitely suggest looking into the Canon, what is this, Canon G7X Mark II. It was about I think I got it around $670, something like that. It's just a little shy of the Sony ZRX. I think the Sony ZRX is closer to 800, whereas the Canon is closer to 700. And if you ain't trying to break the bank, like your girl, if you're a college student, a mother, a father, anything, you know, an employee, you know, then don't break the bank, okay? But that is all I have for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you are subscribed and you have your notification bell on. Leave me a comment and let me know if you guys are using a Canon or the Sony, or if you guys even use a camera, or if you're just using your phone. Leave me a comment and let me know, okay? But until next time, I will see you guys. Peace.